Codesignal arcade databases, users by continent. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving users by continent by Codesignal. So you're curious about the geographical distribution of the Codesignal users, and your task is to calculate the number of users on each continent. Now you have the data available from the countries table, and you want to sort it out with two columns, the continent and the number of users, and sorted by the number of users in decreasing order. So we have this table to work with, and we have to have a resulting table that looks like this. It has the continents and number of users, and it's going to be from users in decreasing order. So to solve this, you have to select the continent, and you also want to have the sum of users. Sum is used to aggregate the number of users per how you group it, or the total of it itself. But since we want to group it per the total number of users per continent, I do sum by the continent itself, the sum by sum of the users itself, and I put it as users. Now I want to get this from the table countries, and I want to group this, as I mentioned before, by the continent to ensure that when we calculate the number of users per continent, it's summed by each of these users, and I distinguish that by group by continent. And I want to make sure it's ordered by users in descending order. So therefore, the highest number should be at the top, and at the bottom should be the lowest. So if I run this, nice, it passed. Now if I submit, great, I'm glad it passed. Alright guys, I hope you like this content. If it's not clear, please comment below and I'll give you a more clear, or if I can, any more clear than the explanation that I've provided. Otherwise, please like and subscribe, and if you do, I want to take you guys to Antarctica. People said there are not many Codesignal users in Antarctica, and that is true, but you'll be welcome to be the first user residing there. No, just kidding. See you guys.